This is Tammy with Maple Valley Soap Company. I wanted to do a behind-the-scenes video showing how we put this unique blend of beef tallow, body cream together. Beef tallow for skin is gaining popularity, but to be honest with you, I have been using beef tallow body cream for decades because my skin just loves this stuff. Are you wondering what is beef tallow and is it good for the skin? Let's dive right into it and break down the facts. Beef tallow is fat from cows. It has a deep, long-lasting moisturization and rich in vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and it is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial too. Beef tallow has a natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effect which can help soothe eczema, psoriasis, and other skin irritates. Beef tallow promotes skin elasticity and improves skin overall appearance.
it's cleanup time. This is not the fun time.
Do you need any help? Maybe I can help a little. Like,
Yes.
do something. Okay. What do you want me to do?